CTE works.
CTE works.
CTE works.
CTE works.
CTE works.
CTE works.
CTE works. CTE works.
CTE works.
CTE works.
Hi, and welcome to the Fort Madison Junior Senior High Career and Technical Education Program, where learning meets opportunity and learning comes to life. In our CTE classes, students don't just sit in a classroom. They build, create, design, and lead. From health science to business, from construction to technology, CTE offers hands-on experiences that prepare students for real-world success. CTE helps students discover their passions, develop valuable skills, and earn industry-recognized certifications, all while preparing them for college and high-demand careers. Agriculture. It's more than farming. It's science, technology, and leadership in action. They learn about food, fiber, and natural resources power our communities, and how innovation keeps agriculture growing strong. From animal science to plant science systems to agriculture business and environmental management, agriculture education builds skills. Precision, performance, power. In the automotive technology program, students turn their passion for cars into real-world skills. Students learn to diagnose, repair, and maintain today's advanced vehicles while building technical knowledge and problem-solving skills. Along the way, they earn industry-recognized credentials that open the doors to high-demand careers. Fort Madison High School is proud to be one of 3 NC3 START schools, partnering with the National Coalition of Certification Centers to provide students with industry-recognized certifications. In the last year, our students have earned nearly 800 industry-recognized credentials through various CTE programs. Innovation, leadership, success. In the business program, our students prepare to become the next generation of entrepreneurs, managers, and leaders. Through hands-on projects and real-world experiences, our students learn the skills that drive today's economy, communication, teamwork, and problem-solving with professionalism. Career-connected learning helps students explore their interests and prepare for college, careers, and life beyond. Through hands-on projects, mentorships, and community partnerships, students build confidence and plan their futures. In our employability skills class, teamwork activities develop communication, problem-solving, and critical thinking, essential skills for any career. These experiences teach students how to collaborate and overcome challenges in real-world settings. Career-connected learning equips students with the tools they need to succeed. Construction is more than just hard work. It's craftsmanship, creativity, and pride. Our high school construction classes provide students with hands-on experience and foundational knowledge in the building trades. Students learn essential skills such as measuring, cutting, reading blueprints, and using tools safely. Our teachers emphasize teamwork, problem-solving, and safety practices while introducing various construction techniques like framing, roofing, and basic electrical or plumbing work. Students going out into the field for work experience are certified for OSHA. Our students build more than just projects. They build their future. Family and consumer science, where life skills meet leadership. In FCS, students learn the essential skills to succeed in life, from culinary to life skills, from sewing to housing and interior design. Students build confidence, responsibility, leadership, and industry-recognized credentials that help prepare them for their future. Our Iron Chef team and FCCLA members bring home top awards for their creativity, leadership, and culinary skills that truly shine. Health science, where compassion meets career. In our health science program, students gain hands-on experience in the medical field, learning anatomy, patient care, and medical terminology that prepares them for their success in healthcare careers. Students will be able to build the knowledge, confidence, and skills to make a difference, whether their path leads them to nursing, emergency medicine, physical therapy, or beyond. Welding, where sparks fly and futures are built. In the welding program, students learn the art and science of joining metal, gaining hands-on experience in fabrication, blueprint reading, and safety. Through CTE, our welding students develop the skills that industries depend on, from construction and manufacturing to engineering and design. Welding takes focus, skill, and pride. Every spark is a step towards a strong and successful career. Did you know that CTE isn't just for high school students? It starts here in junior high. The junior high students explore a variety of pathways from health science and technology to agriculture, business, construction, and more. These early experiences help students discover their interests, develop problem-solving skills, and prepare for the high school programs in their future careers. Junior high CTE sparks curiosity, builds confidence, and lays a foundation for success, giving students a head start on their future. At Fort Madison Senior High, we believe in preparing students for success. Whether you dream of being an engineer, chef, nurse, or entrepreneur, or even a skilled trades professional, CTE is your first step towards your future because, well, CTE works.